Here we are in Newfoundland. This is we took a 9-day drive from Lethbridge, stopping a few times in Ontario and Quebec to visit friends and family, and we finally arrived at the farm last night at about 10:30. And so here's our first real look at the farm today.
Oliver.
Here we are at Cormac. We bought this house as an estate sale, and this is a log home that the gentleman had built on the property. He built it himself. I think he built it in 1983.
I think Daddy could have built it better.
So this is one of the tractors that came with the property. This is the big one. This is an older Kubota. I think it's mid-80s, early 90s probably. We've already had it up and serviced, and they've told us that it's a good tractor and it should last us quite a few years if we take care of it.
I climbed up here.
It's almost right. Oh, you're right, my color lace. These are our plum boys.
It's a raspberry.
No, it's a plum boy.
It's a plum boy.
So, good job for your guys, huh? Here's more of a crab. I think more of a baking apple. And over there is pink apple. So, over here you see that there used to be mink sheds. He used to be a mink farmer. My sons have been up and already, and they've taken the roofing off, the metal roofing that was on the sheds. And so they got a head start for us so that it'd be easier for us to start building the greenhouse. So this is the interior of what used to be a mink farm, and you can see all the cages where they used to have minks, and feeder boxes, and I guess where the minks used to live. And it's quite a large barn. It was very popular back in the early 90s. There were a lot of mink farms on the island, but since so many people are against the fur trade and stuff now, and animal cruelty, the price of pelts has gone way down. There's not so much demand anymore, so a lot of these are being shut down because there's just no demand. We're trying to find the key to the barn, so there's keys everywhere.
I found a penny.
So we're going to try and see if we can get into that barn up there. So we're going to try a few different sets of keys. Take them with us now. This set here, the oldest key.
Too many keys.
Too many keys is right. This is a wiser too. So I can't find the keys to the barn. They've been misplaced. So we're gonna go over and explore this old house. This was the first house I believe he had on the property that he built before he built the other one. So it's let's go take a look.
Here we are.
Here we are. So this is
Look how tall the grass is.
original house on the property. We're gonna just go in and take a look. Okay, here. So, watch your first step. It's a doozy. The boys must have knocked that down. All right. There you go. Oh, you had the kitchen out here. I thought the kitchen was in there.
Oh.
There's a bedroom. Oh, it's getting worse. So, this is a roto-tiller, I believe, Lori? It is. 8 horsepower yard slick one, almost, well, not similar. Yard man to one Ron had. Looks a bumblebee. They all for cutting logs for shaving off, making them square.
Oh.
Tools. Toolboxes. I have no idea if they got oil or something. Shovel head. There's that Ford motor. Wasn't there a kayak last time? There's parts to build a kayak. I actually thought there was more stuff up there. Wish there might have been. Should it's pitchforks. Some Ford motor. Oars. Breakers. Tension. Oh my goodness. The Titanic. The sinking of the Titanic. Matchsticks. Whatever it is, building houses out of matchsticks. Oh my goodness. Waterworks. Parker Brothers Games. Waterworks. Man, there's a lot of board games, let me tell you. Ones I've never heard of. Scan. Nice light here too. Oh, were they for making the kayak? I don't know. I gotta find out what they are because there's a ton of them. Strawberry plant. Looks like a wagon that hooks onto the back of a tractor you pull around. Flatbed, but looks like the raspberry wagon. I think it's for a spreader. I'm not sure. Oh, I'm gonna have to mow some stuff down. So this is the barn. Girls have obviously found the keys and have entered into it. We're going to take a look. So there's picks and shovels. Big air compressor. Chainsaw. Some kind of hopper for something. Oh, they brought all the keys over. Hopefully you remember which one it was. Sledgehammer. This is a chainsaw mill. It goes on a chainsaw for milling square logs. Gas cans. This is a jack. Looks like it hooks up to a pump, and there's something here for an air system for air pressure. A hydraulic pneumonic jack. Looks like there was a water system in here at some point. Wow, there's so much stuff. There's two pressure washers down there too. There's one in the house. So that's 3 pressure washers. This is the barn, lower barn, outside of the shop, ground level. So we're just checking out. We got here an original side. We're cutting hay. Looks like it's been well used. And there's a cement mixer over here. Another felt stretcher. Here's a New Holland tractor. It's a 25 horse. I brought a loader that we're going to try to attach to this tractor from Ontario with us.
You mean Alberta?
Alberta, sorry, from Alberta with us. And hopefully it'll all come together. I bought a welder so that we can get it up and running. The lift system. This is a Kubota lawn tractor that that came with the farm. My parents have been using this here to keep the grass down at their home. It's a really nice little tractor. It's come with ladders and a bunch of scaffolding back there. There's a generator, batteries, and a seed spreader for doing spreading seed for hay. Hello, Cat.
Daddy, can I live in here?
Yeah, you can live in here.
Sure. Let's see what happens when the sun goes down. See if you stay the same.
No.
Did you find the tramp?
Yes, it's right there.
Oh, okay.
It's huge.
Is it a huge one?
Yes.
At least wheelbarrow.
Yes, it is. It doesn't stand up by itself.
Yeah, that's good stuff. It is a 14-foot dust. Sawdust. Barbecue.
I'm the king of the castle. You're the dirty rascal. Oh yeah! Oh, ouch!
Another little motor there too.
I twisted my ankle.
Lots of caging material.